Uh-oh. Where's Memphis? Where are you? Memphis, where are you? Boo! Shh, Smiley. No yelling. Nope. Don't touch. Don't you touch. Monkey. Oh! Don't you touch. Don't you touch. Auntie will fight you. Run! Run! Run, baby, run! Run! Run, run, run! Where's Memphis? Whoa! Miley, Miley! Don't you push him. Be nice, Miley. Don't be so rough. He's just tiny. Bye-bye, Choo Choo. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Ow! Where's your Choo Choo? In your ear? Let me see. Oh, oh, you weenie. Kisses. Miley, what did I tell you about that? Whoa! Give that to Auntie. Tata! Give that to Auntie. Miley, grab that. Give me that. Give me that. Hey, give me that. Give me that. Memphis Alexander, give me that. Memphis Alexander. Hey, stop. She doesn't want to. She wants to watch TV. What? Smell. Bring it here. Where's your choo-choo? It's in your ear. Oh, it's in your ear. Oh, it's right here. Oh no. Ah! Oh. Ow! Hey, my choo-choo. Ha ha ha. Go get it. Where is it? No, Smiley's not magic, just Auntie Becky. Hey? Ah. Where's your belly button? I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna got it. Say cheese. Cheese. Say cheese, Miley. Miley, say cheese. Get her. Get her. Okay, stop. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Memphis, bye-bye.